Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's A series is the most exciting lineup of budget king mobile phones. Now, the Samsung Galaxy A37 surfaces in early benchmarking before the rumored spring 2026 launch event. An early sighting of an unreleased Galaxy A series smartphone has appeared. Possibly the Galaxy A37, a benchmark leak indicates what Samsung plans to use in its future Galaxy A37. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. An early sighting of an unreleased Galaxy A series smartphone has appeared. Possibly the Galaxy A37. A benchmark leak indicates that Samsung plans to use an older Exynos chipset last seen almost 2 years ago. Samsung is reportedly working on a trio of new Galaxy A series smartphones to complement the Galaxy A07, Galaxy A17 4G, and Galaxy A17 5G, which are available on Amazon, that arrived over the summer. Based on recent rumors, the company is developing the Galaxy A27, Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 simultaneously. Last week, the latter surfaced on Geekbench with an Exynos 1680 chipset. Now, an apparent Galaxy A37 has appeared on the same benchmarking platform. Considering the recent fake Galaxy A77 Geekbench leak, we would recommend exercising some caution with the benchmark listing reproduced, as you can see in the video. In short, the listing shows the Galaxy A37 running Android 16 operating system with 6GB of RAM and an Exynos 1480 chipset backed by Samsung's Xclipse 530 GPU rather than the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, which powers the Galaxy A36. For reference, the Exynos 1480 is the same chipset that Samsung has only used in the Galaxy A55 so far. On the face of it, Samsung reusing an older chipset for an entry-level device is probable. The Galaxy A26 and Galaxy A35 utilize the same Exynos 1280 for instance. Switching the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 for an Exynos 1480 would yield modest to no performance benefits according to our benchmarks though. Thus, we remain skeptical about the authenticity of this leak, particularly considering that the newer Exynos 1580 would be a more logical choice from last year's Galaxy A56. It is expected that the future Galaxy A series 2026 will officially launch in March or April next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.